Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mario Kart 8 Deluxe video. I am Damien TCMB and we're going to be playing this again. Single player, Grand Prix, 150cc, player, all good. Today we're going to do the Lightning Cup. This will be fun. Tick-tock clock. You better set your alarms. Here I go. Come on, come on, come on. Get out of the way, Dinky. DK. DK. Ignore that. It's like going around circles. Let's go this way. Okay. Now we're gonna make it past this area again. Oh crap, I almost got slipped on my own banana peel. Ah, I got hit in the face. Oh, and I'm going the opposite way. Come on. Let's go. Yes, I know I'm late for school, but I can't get up that early. Please, just let me go home. Oh, hey, Maureen. Oh, that was close. Hey, Maureen, get back here. Or maybe I think you fell. No. Hey, Morton. You better stay behind me, brother. Because if you don't, you're not gonna like what's gonna happen. And let's go this way, and then one more turn. The next thing you know, boom! Oh yeah, first place. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Next race. Piranha Plant Slide. Second race. First race has been complete, and now time for the second race. Come on, second race, don't fail me now. Oh, other way. No, no, please. Please don't give me the banana peel. Not the punishment banana. Hey, yo, you took my coin. I didn't know that I had a coin for a second though. Take my banana peel. What's talking me down? Never mind. Let's just keep going. At least that didn't get to hit me. Darn, I missed it. Oh no! I guess that's what I get for being on the red slide. I get hit with a red shell. The red slide is evil. Oh no, I shouldn't have went this way. Oh, that was close. What the? Just put me down. Man. Okay, maybe a green side is good. Okay, well I got two things, but one of them is just a coin, but that doesn't matter. Woo! Oh no no no! I thought I was gonna make it. Oh well, come on, come on. Make it. Yes! First place! Next to this. Okay, Grumble Volcano. We got this. We're gonna be so hot during this race. You get it? Hot? If you don't, that's fine. Darn, I thought that was a coin. Hold on. Please don't fall off. Don't hit that. Oh, that was so close to hitting it. Oh god. Oh god. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. We got this in the bag. I just know we do. Oh god, this whole place is splitting apart. Everything's shaking. I better hurry up and win this before it breaks. Let's try. Not this time. Darn it. My bad. I can't have those fiery, jumpy guys get me. Come on. Oh no, I thought that was a red. But no, that was a blue. Ah, no, no. Please don't get me. Oh, that was close. That red almost hit me. And there, boom, boom. But at least I didn't know that it was coming from me. You're not making touching me. And that's what you get. Guess I only have to go this way again. Come on, baby, you got this. You've got this. Oh yeah, first place. I got hit with a red shell. Okay, next race, which is the final race. I just did race 3, and now it's time for the final race. Rainbow Road. Imagine if it was Rocky Road. Oh well. Let's go. Oh man, I missed that one. At least I got one. Come on, you got this, baby. Okay, that's one. Come on. Almost there. I was finally about to make the boom. I'll get first place and see you cry. Oh, God. I just got hit with a ball. Get away. You're not defeating me today. Come on. Okay, that's two. Wow, look at all the pretty fireworks. Wow. Pretty good. Oh yeah, first place. Okay, let's go view the results. Oh, Donkey Kong. Ah, you ball. guess I am a true star at this game. And what do you know? All four first places again. I am the winner. Oh y'all. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you all did like the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any upcoming Mario Kart videos. See you later everyone, and have a good time, and like always, don't forget to be a master. And bye everyone. See you next time.